Welcome, Seekers, to this Library of Divine Echoes deep dive, where we are exploring the ancient wisdom of the elements, the forces that shape our reality, and the sacred energies that guide our souls. I'm Christopher Little, your guide through today's journey into the element of spirit. Spirit is the unseen force that connects all things, the divine thread that weaves through existence, and the infinite source of wisdom, unity, and transcendence. Tonight, we will explore the essence of spirit from a spiritual and magical perspective, how it manifests, how we connect with it, and how it fuels our personal and spiritual evolution. And, as we close, I will lead you in a guided meditation to help you incorporate the wisdom of spirit into your practice, allowing its boundless energy to guide you toward deeper understanding, alignment, and enlightenment. So settle in, open your mind, and let your consciousness expand as we step into the mystery of spirit. Unlike the tangible elements of earth, water, air, and fire, spirit is formless, boundless, and ever-present. It is the divine energy that links us to all of existence, the bridge between the physical and the metaphysical, the seen and the unseen. In different traditions, spirit is known by many names. Akasha, in alchemical and esoteric teachings, representing the primal substance from which all creation emerges. Ether, in classical philosophy, believed to be the celestial medium connecting the heavens and the earth. The divine spark in mystical traditions, the eternal flame within each soul. The web of life in animistic and shamanic traditions, the interconnected network of all beings. Spirit teaches us that we are not separate but part of an infinite whole. It is the essence of love, consciousness, and enlightenment, and it is through this element that we access intuition, higher wisdom, and the realm of the divine. For those who walk the magical path, spirit is the unifying force behind all workings. It is the energy that breathes life into spells, guides intuition, and shapes reality through intention. Ways to connect with spirit in spiritual and magical practice. Meditation and stillness, opening ourselves to divine guidance and deepening our awareness of universal energy. Astral projection and journeying, traveling beyond the physical plane to seek wisdom from spirit guides and higher realms. Divination and intuition work, using tools such as tarot, runes, and pendulums to receive messages from spirit. Sacred rituals and offerings, honoring deities, ancestors, and higher consciousness through devotion and sacred acts. Spirit is beyond limitation. It is the energy of creation and destruction, the endless cycle of existence, and the infinite potential within and around us. To truly embody the element of spirit, we must cultivate a deep connection to the divine and to our own inner wisdom. Unlike the other elements, which call us to action in specific ways, spirit invites us to expand, to surrender, and to trust. Ways to integrate spirit into daily life. Practicing presence and mindfulness, being fully aware and engaged in each moment. Cultivating compassion and love, recognizing the divine in all beings and radiating kindness. Seeking higher wisdom, engaging in study, contemplation, and communion with spirit. Embracing synchronicity, paying attention to signs, messages, and the subtle guidance of the universe. By opening ourselves to spirit, we align with our highest path, moving beyond ego and into the realm of true understanding and unity. Now, let us journey inward to connect with the energy of spirit. Find a quiet place, close your eyes, and take a deep breath in through your nose, exhaling slowly through your mouth. Let your body relax, your mind quiet, and your heart open. Imagine yourself standing beneath a vast night sky filled with shimmering stars. Above you, the cosmos stretches infinitely, an endless ocean of light and energy. As you breathe, feel yourself expanding, merging with the vastness around you. A soft, glowing energy begins to surround you, gentle, loving, limitless. This is the essence of spirit, the divine current that flows through all things. With each inhale, you draw in its wisdom, filling yourself with peace, connection, and clarity. With each exhale, you release all barriers, all illusions of separation, dissolving into pure being. Now visualize a luminous thread of light connecting you to all that is, the earth below, the heavens above, the life around you. You are not apart from creation. You are creation. You are spirit, and spirit is you. Take a moment to bask in this awareness, allowing it to settle into your soul. You are infinite. You are whole. You are divine. When you feel ready, gently bring your awareness back to your physical body. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Take a final deep breath and open your eyes. As we conclude this journey through the element of spirit, I invite you to carry its wisdom with you. May you move through the world with a deep sense of connection, guided by intuition, love, and the boundless light within you. Thank you for joining me in the Library of Divine Echoes. Until next time, may your soul remain ever luminous, your heart ever open, and your spirit ever free.